Agrivoltaics, agri-PV, APV, solar farming, all terms we're hearing more frequently within the solar industry and from policymakers. So what is it? Why is it important? And what has Lightsourcebp already been doing in this space? Agrivoltaics refers to a dual land use and sharing of photons, combining solar energy generation with agricultural production. There are a range of different agrivoltaic systems and configurations that cater to different agricultural activities. The first is a conventional ground mount system, which is compatible with livestock grazing and beekeeping. The animals can graze freely in the field and even enjoy some nice shelter provided by the panels. Growing crops under panels tends to be a bit more complex, and this is when we'd usually see an elevated PV system. The shading provided by the panels can actually be beneficial to the crops, protecting them from extreme weather and reducing their water requirements. We then have vertical bifacial systems, sometimes referred to as solar fences, where crops can grow between the rows of panels. We also have floating PV and aquavoltaic systems, which can be installed over fish and shrimp farms. What is critical is that the system must be designed in a way that is compatible with its environmental context, supports the chosen agricultural activity, and is economically viable to develop and operate. Each site and environmental context is different, and therefore careful consideration must go into designing agrivoltaic solutions to ensure they are suitable and feasible. From our early days at Lightsourcebp, we've sought out co-use opportunities on our sites. In the UK, many of our operational sites are home to sheep and honeybees, something that is now being established in many other Lightsourcebp locations, including Spain, the US and Australia. The technology in this space is rapidly evolving, and we have some exciting innovations coming through the pipeline. We've recently entered Taiwan, where our flagship project is a 150 megawatt aquavoltaic fishery solar project, one of the largest of its kind in Taiwan. In Italy, many local authorities require us to demonstrate a viable agrivoltaic solution, so we are currently designing sites to support a range of agricultural options, including olive trees and rosemary crops. As we enter the French market, it is likely that all our projects will need to be designed to support a range of agricultural activities to be aligned with industry trends and expectations. Due to the increasing pressure on land resources and growing concerns amongst communities around the use of agricultural land for solar development, there is increasing political pressure to make sure our solar farms can continue to support traditional agriculture use. Many of our competitors are investigating or piloting opportunities for agrivoltaics. And whilst it's important for us to build capability in this space to remain competitive, it is also a part of Lightsourcebp culture to investigate creative and innovative solutions that benefit our projects, the local communities in which we operate, and the environment.